Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, I'm going to cover the details of the counseling that happened on 19th November 2020, which is day 2 of Tamil Nadu counseling. Once again, on day 2, the counseling continued for admission to candidates that come under the 7.5% quota for government school reservation. So on day 2, these are the seats that has been allotted. Under government colleges, 3 MBBS seats were allotted. These are mainly the Raja Mutaya College. The seats were vacant yesterday. And then all the 82 MBBS seats available under self-financing colleges had been taken up. And 5 seats that were available under BDS government colleges, that is basically Raja Mutaya Dental College, had been taken up on day 2. And then 33 seats under the BDS self-financing colleges also had been taken up on day 2. So if you look at the total seats so far allotted, the MBBS in government colleges, all the 227 seats had gone. All the MBBS seats under the private quota in self-financing colleges, that is 86 seats, had been taken up. The 12 BDS seats in government colleges had been taken up, and 33 seats under BDS in private quota under self-financing colleges had been taken up. So totally, so far 358 seats had been allotted as of day 2. Now, what are the seats vacant for day 3? There are no more seats vacant in government colleges for MBBS or BDS. And then under private colleges, there are no more MBBS seats. So what is available? Only self-financing colleges, BDS seats were available. That is 47 seats were available at the end of day 2. Now, if you look at the cutoff, I'm going to show you the cutoff marks for the various categories. Now, let's look at MBBS seats in category A, that is government colleges, the 26 government colleges. Now, the OC category, I'm leaving it a blank, nothing is written there. That actually means that no unreserved candidate has taken a seat under open competition. That's the meaning. It doesn't mean that no seat has been allotted under open competition. It just means that reserved candidates have taken all the seats under open competition. So they have been reported under separate reservation categories. Under open competition, there is no OC candidate. Normally, Tamil Nadu calls unreserved candidate as a OC candidate. So OC candidate, no one has taken a seat under category A. That is the meaning. Now, if you look at the overall cutoff for MBBS category A, BC and SC candidates, 188 marks was the cutoff. BCM and MBC, 209 marks was the cutoff. SCA and ST had the higher cutoffs, 233 for SCA and ST 227. So the individual colleges I have displayed in the matrix, you can take a look at. And if you look at the sequence, I have put the sequence in terms of the cutoff marks based on BC category, because BC category, normally a lot of seats are there. So I have put that, I have sorted the data according to the BC category. So MMC, as usual, normally popular, that is the number 1 college, Stanley, Kilpak, Coimbatore, Madurai, Tanjavur, Omandurar Estate, Tiruchi, Salem, ESIC, Coimbatore, right? That's the sequence. The top 5 colleges, 6 colleges or more or less will be the same across whatever the counseling happens. Generally, these are the top colleges. And the colleges continue. Tirunelveli, Theni, Chengalpattu, Velur, Tiruvarur, Viluppuram, Tiruvannamalai, Thuthukudi, Pudukkottai, and Karur. And finally, Sivagangai, Dharmaburi, Kanyakumari, ESIC, KK Nagar, Chennai, Government Medical College, Erode, which was formerly known as IRT Perundurai, and then Raja Mutaya Medical College. These 3 colleges, the fee structure is slightly higher. That's why they are at the bottom. Now, if you look at the category B, that is the MBBS seats in category B, the cutoff, the overall cutoff is shown at the top. 293 marks was the cutoff for open competition, where not really open competition, it is the seat taken by the OC candidate or unreserved candidate. There was only one candidate who took a seat under the category B. Her marks was 293. And then BC candidates, the cutoff was 155 marks, BCM 167, MBC 148, SC 149, SCA 170, ST 145. Okay, the cutoffs were very low. In fact, I have predicted a slightly higher cutoff, but that I was assuming that everybody would take a seat. Certainly, self-financing colleges, not everyone would take a seat. That's why the cutoff has come down. Now, what are the popular colleges again? You can see that PSG Coimbatore, that is the most popular self-financing medical college. KMCH Coimbatore, that normally comes in at second. Velammal Madurai, Melmaruvattur Adiparasakti, Tiruchi SRM, Karpagam Coimbatore, Tagore Chennai, Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan, Karpaga Vinayaka, Panimalar, which is a new college this year, Annapurna Salem, Mada Chennai, Indra Tiruvallur. Again, this is a new college started this year. And then Sri Moogambigai, which is at the bottom. So these are the colleges that comes under the private self-financing colleges. And then the BDS seats available under government colleges. The cutoff is 216. One candidate has taken a seat, OC candidate. The cutoff was 216 for OC category, I would say. BC 185 marks, BCM 135, MBC 138, and SC candidates 165. So this is a cutoff for both government dental college and Raja Mutaya Dental College. I've not shown the cutoff for the self-financing BDS colleges. I will provide it later because there are still seats vacant. I don't want to provide that and confuse now. But these colleges, these are the final seats, right? So category A, category B, and category C, these are the seats. So if you want, you can take a look at it. You can pause the video and take a look at this exact marks for each college. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.